we're gonna cook a lot of food. Yeah? We will cook a lot of food, yeah.
I'm chopping tomatoes.
Cooking is something that, you know, you have to enjoy doing it. You have to like it.
Always do what I want. Look at that, Babs. Look at that.
Okay, we're doing cochinita pibil, pork pibil. So as ingredients here I have orange juice, balsamic vinegars, some citrus, and my secret ingredients here, some spices that includes achiote and chipotle chilies. I'll remove the skin and leave some fat into it. People that comes on the first time, the reaction on the first bite, you can see that, you know, is much better than what they were expecting, and you can see on their faces.
What is this? I never eat something like that before.
Try it, yeah?